From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, State College. I'm student meteorologist Brandon Smith here with your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast on this 1st of November, 2016. Our main weather headlines for today is that we'll have a blast of warm air come through the area on Wednesday. For Thursday, we'll have some rain come through with the passage of a cold front, and then for Friday, we'll have a weekend cool down. Temperatures will begin to drop down with the passage of that cold front. More on that later, but right now, let's take a look outside at our current conditions. You can see we have mostly cloudy, mostly clear skies, for the most part. Right now, temperatures are right around 50 degrees. It feels like 50 degrees also. We have a dew point of 39 and a visibility of around 10 miles. We do have that southwest wind of 11 miles per hour. So overall, pretty good conditions right now for the most part. Taking a look at your temperatures right now across the local area, you can see right now we have a temperature of around 50 degrees here in State College and 52 in Bellefonte. As we move further east, we'll have cooler temperatures. Selinsgrove is at 44 right now, Carlisle is at 46, and Williamsport is at 48. Meanwhile, as we move further west, we'll have warmer temperatures. Indiana is at 63 degrees, and Johnstown is at 55. And as we zoom out and take a look at the entire state, this pattern does persist. We'll have cooler temperatures to the east. Allentown is at 50 degrees. And areas like Scranton, Williamsport, and Harrisburg are at 48. Meanwhile, as we move further west, we'll got areas like Erie and Pittsburgh that are into the low 60s, and areas like Franklin who are in the high 50s. And this pattern should change. Come Wednesday, we'll have a shot of warm air that'll pass through the area. Now, taking a look at your your current radar and satellite, we don't have a lot of rain right now coming through the region. We do have a few scattered showers right outside the southwestern portion of the state. These conditions should change with the passage of the cold front come Thursday. Taking a look at your future temperatures right now, here's a look at our current temperatures that you just saw, and you'll see that these temperatures will begin to increase as we move into Wednesday. We'll have a high of 72 degrees actually right here in State College. Meanwhile, areas like Harrisburg and Allentown and Philadelphia, Harrisburg will be our statewide high for a high of 76 degrees. Meanwhile, areas like Allentown, Philadelphia, and Franklin and Pittsburgh will be into the low 70s. So it'll be a pretty warm spell of air that'll pass through here on Wednesday afternoon. Now, come the passage of this cold front, we'll get those temperatures to decrease. You can see the sharp temperature gradient as we move from the northwestern portion of the state down to the southeast. We'll get areas like Philadelphia all the way up into 75 degrees. Meanwhile, we'll have areas in Bradford that are all the way down to 47. So we do have a sharp temperature gradient with the passage of this cold front. As that cold front moves through, we'll get that shot of cold air that'll pass through the region. We'll have a high of 31 degrees in State College. We'll have areas like Bradford that'll be all the way down into 28 degrees, so it'll be below freezing. So make sure you bundle up come Friday. Taking a look at your future weather for the radar, as you can see, we don't have any rain right now in the state for Tuesday. We have mostly cloudy skies right now, and those conditions should persist as we move from Tuesday into Wednesday. When we get that warm air coming up through the southern portion of the state, the skies will begin to clear out a little bit. You can see the warm air comes up right through here, and we'll have a bit of clear skies here. Right now, the front is situated over Lake Erie, sort of, and that's going to push in from the western portion of the state, giving us a peak intensity in rain around 2:30 p.m. on Thursday. Once this front exits the region, we'll have a few scattered showers here and there, mainly to the northeastern portion and the southwestern portion of the state. Those should dissipate once Thursday goes through, and we'll get mostly clear skies and cooler temperatures for Friday. Taking a look at your forecast for today, we'll have a high of 55 degrees with partly to mostly cloudy skies, a few broken clouds here and there, and we'll have a south wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Taking a look at your forecast for tonight, we'll have a low of 50 degrees. It'll be mostly cloudy, and we'll have light and variable winds. And moving into tomorrow, we'll get that spell of warm air to come up. We'll have a high of 71 degrees with partly sunny skies. Pretty beautiful day. We'll have southeast winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And taking a look at your 7-day forecast, you can see on Tuesday we have that high of 55 degrees and a low of 50. That should warm up as we move from Tuesday into Wednesday with a high of 71. When we get into Thursday, we'll get rain throughout the majority of the day with a high of 64. Should cool down just a little bit, but overall mild temperatures for Thursday. And as we move from Thursday into Friday and the weekend, temperatures should drop down quite a bit. We'll have a high of only 48 degrees for Friday and a low of 38 between Friday and Saturday. We'll have a high of 53 degrees roughly for the weekend and the start of next week. That's all for now. Thank you for tuning in with the Penn State Campus Weather Service. I'm student meteorologist Brandon Smith. Make sure you stay tuned for next time.